Welcome. If you're receiving too many SMS notifications from Facebook every time someone comments on your posts or replies to your comments, it can quickly become overwhelming. But don't worry, you can easily turn these off. In this video, I'll show you how to disable SMS notifications for Facebook comments on your PC. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your computer and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, you're ready to begin. Next, click on your profile photo in the top right corner of the page. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, click on your name to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, we need to access your settings. To do this, click the small downward arrow in the top right corner again. A menu will appear, and from there, select Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. Now, you're in your account settings. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu with various options. Scroll down a bit until you see Notifications, and click on it. This is where you can control all of your Facebook notifications. In the Notifications section, look for the Comments category. This is where Facebook sends you alerts whenever someone comments on your posts. If you're receiving SMS alerts for comments, you can turn them off right here. Under the Comments section, look for the option labeled SMS. All you need to do is toggle off the SMS notifications option. Once you do this, you'll stop receiving text messages every time someone comments on your posts. And that's it. You've successfully disabled SMS notifications for Facebook comments. Now you can enjoy Facebook without being flooded with text message alerts. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your Facebook notifications. Thanks for watching.